Now, good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 6.2. Once see the question, what is given. Find three different solutions of each of the following equations. So here some equations given. You have to find three different solutions. Okay, three different solutions. So once we will continue with this one. That is, I am taking here 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. One equation I wrote here. Okay. So solution means in place of x, if you substitute any number, corresponding y value will come. Example, I am substituting if x is equal to 0. Means what I am doing? In linear equation of two variables, in place of x, I am substituting 0. 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 7. 3 0 0 plus 4y is equals to 7. 4y is equals to 7, y is equals to 7 by 4. So I got y value. Means the ordered pair is 0 comma 7 by 4 is a solution. This is called a solution. Like this, how many solutions you can write? You can write infinite solutions because x is equal to 0 you kept. You can keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Infinite natural numbers are there. So for every one value, one different value will come for y. Example, see it, in place of y, if you keep 0, if y is equal to 0, there is no rule that you have to substitute in place of x only, you have to substitute it. You can substitute in place of y 0. Then the equation becomes 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 7. So 3x, 4 into 0 is equal to 7. For 3x, if you add 0, you are getting 3x only is equal to 7. X is equal to how much here? 7 by 3. Ordered pair, how to write is 0 comma 7 by 3 should not write. Always in ordered pair, x coordinate you have to write first, 7 by 3 comma 0. So what is this? It is a solution for this equation. Solution means, see, x plus 3 is equal to 5 is there. It is one equation. So x plus 3 is equal to 5 means in place of x, which value you have to keep to make LHS is equal to RHS. Means here x is equal to 2, only one value you are getting, x is equal to 2. It is a solution for this one. It is a solution for this one. But for linear equation in two variables, you are getting infinite values, infinite solutions you are getting. Okay, that you have to keep it in mind. So I kept x is equal to 0 one time, y is equal to 0 one time. Like that you can keep more and more. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. You can keep number of elements you can substitute in place of x and y to get corresponding x and y values. Okay, so like that. But he is asking in this particular problem, he is not asking all. So just only three different solutions he is asking. Question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So serial number first I am writing here. Okay. Choice of a value for variable means in place of x I am substituting 0. So my choice is x, I am substituting 0. Then what is simplification means actual equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. Okay. Then simplification how you have to do is you should 3 in place of x I am writing 0. 4y is equal to 7. 4y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 by 4. And solution means I have to write first x, then y value 0 comma 7 by 4. So like this 0 comma 7 by 4 is one solution. Three different means rule number 2 you can write it, serial number 2 you can write it, y is equal to 0 you can write, and in 3x plus 4y is equals to 7 equation, in place of y I am writing 0. So 3x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 3. So I have to write 7 by 3 comma 0. Then again one more value, your wish, you can take x value, you can take y value. Third equation, three different solutions he asked. X is equal to, I want to take what we will take it, x is equal to minus 1 I will take it. Okay, then x is equal to minus 1, if I take 3 into x means 3 into minus 1 plus 4y is equal to 7. minus 3 plus 4y is equal to 7. 4y is equal to 7 plus 3. 4y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10 by 4. 10 by 4 means both will go in 2 table. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So y is equal to 5 by 2, I got it. So minus 1 comma 5 by 2 is one solution. Like this you have to write solutions for all the equations. Okay, how many they given here? They given 6 they given. So for 6 you have to maintain like this table and you have to write linear equations solutions. Okay, then if you go for second problem, what he asked is, if 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of the following linear equations, find a and b. So he is asking to find the values of a and b. Okay, how to write the values of a and b we'll see in this problem. Now 8x minus y is equals to 34. 8x minus y is equals to 34. So let 0 comma a is a solution. So what he given is 0 comma a is one solution, he said. B comma 0 is a solution, he said. 0 comma a is solution means it is ordered pair. In ordered pair, first value is always x value, second value is always the value of a. Means in place of x you have to substitute 0, in place of y you have to substitute a. So it becomes 8 into 0 minus a is equals to 34. 8 into 0 means 0 only, minus a is equal to 34. 0 won't have any value, minus a is equal to 34. Both sides if you multiply with minus, so a is equals to minus 34 you are getting. Minus a is equal to 34 means a is equal to minus 34. So if 0 comma a is a solution, a value becomes what? Minus 34. Then he gave one more, that is b comma 0 is a solution. Is a solution. What he said, b comma 0 is a solution for this equation, he said. Means in place of x you have to substitute b, in place of y you have to substitute 0. So 8b is equal to 34. b is equals to 34 by 8. 2 4s are 2 17s are. So you got b is equal to 17 by 4. So if b comma 0 is a solution, b value is 17 by 4. If 0 comma a is a solution, a value becomes minus 34. Like this you have to write the values of a and b. Okay, now if you go for third, check whether the following is a solution of the equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. So here 2x minus 5y is equals to 10 is equation they given here. Whether 0 comma 2 is a solution or not, he is asking. You should check it. So I'll say just for understanding purpose, actually what you have to do is you have to make a box here. So I'll show how to make a box, but I want to make you clear that what is the meaning of a solution. So 0 comma 2 is solution for this or not means I said in ordered pair, first one is called x coordinate, second one is called y coordinate. Means in place of x you have to substitute 0, in place of y you have to substitute 2. So 2 into 0 minus 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 2 into 0 is 0, minus 10 is equals to 10. So what you got here, minus 10 is equal to 10, you got it. It is false. So anywhere 10 is equal to 10 you can say, minus 10 is equal to minus 10 you can say, but you got here minus 10 is equal to 10. It is LHS is not equals to RHS. Means 0 comma 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Solution means what happens? You will get a true statement. If it is not a solution, what you are getting? You are getting a false statement. So like this. Next one more is what he given? 0 comma minus 2 given. 0 comma minus 2. He is asking, check whether 0 comma minus 2 is solution for this or not. Means what you have to do? In place of x 0, in place of y minus 2, you have to substitute in this one. 2 into 0 minus 5 into minus 2 is equals to 10. 0 plus 10 is equals to 10. 10 is equal to 10, you got it. So LHS is equal to RHS means 0 comma minus 2 is a solution. Is a solution for this linear equation. Okay. Like this, you have to do remaining by using this box here. See, I will show to you one box here in example sum. So you have to write a serial number, pair of values. So in question they given 0 comma 2, 0 comma minus 2 like that. Value of LHS means he given one equation that is 2x minus 5y or not. So you have to take 2x minus 5y. So in place of x 0, in place of y you have to substitute, simplify here, and last LHS value you will get it. RHS value already he given as 10, no need of doing anything. So compare LHS answer with RHS. If both are equal, LHS is equal to RHS you have to write, and 0 comma 2 is the solution you have to write it. Now here LHS you got 2, RHS is 4. So here what you have to write, LHS is not equals to RHS. If it is not equals to, then you have to write 0 comma 2 is not a solution. Okay. So I hope that you understood with roots and everything. So you have to do same thing for third question. We can do remaining in the next class. Thank you.